Okay, Brock Lesnar versus John Cena. Let's start 3, 2, 1, ding, ding. Brock Lesnar. Oh, John Cena with the reversal. John Cena's going on the high ropes. Oh! Oh! John Cena overpowered. Oh. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar is kicking him. Oh! Oh! Oh, he landed it. He landed it. Good. Going. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh my God, that's good. 1 kick. He kicked out at 1. Kicked out 1. Oh. He's going for a 5-knuckle shuffle. You can't see me. Oh. Down. He's down. John Cena. Oh! Brock Lesnar going for a body slam. Oh! Oh, that broke his neck, probably. 1, 2, kicked out. He kicked out. His neck is broke. No. Aim for that neck. So he can't get up. His neck can't move, probably. Oh. John Cena. Oh! Oh my God, look! 1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Here's your winner, John Cena. Now John Cena is against Brock Lesnar. 3-0. Bye.